Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Java GUI tutorial. This is the 31st tutorial, and today we're going to make a pretty interesting program. It's going to be another multi-part series, probably 2 or 3, and what we're going to create essentially is a program that we're going to kind of extend off of what we learned last time with the timer thing. So we're going to make a program that when you can enter how many seconds you want to do this action, and then it's going to count down, and you're going to be able to click a button and see how many times you can click in a certain period of time. So it's going to be pretty cool. So anyways, let's just get started, I guess. See, alright, 54 seconds. So we got your imports here. I'm going to minimize them, and alright. So we're going to need a lot of objects at the beginning. Make a timer and just call it timer. Make an int and call it timer counter. And that's going to count the seconds of the timer. That's going to be decremented. Make another int and call it click counter, and that's going to count the clicks that the user makes on the button. And we need some labels. One called directions. Enter time, click, label, time left. Need some buttons. One's gonna be called start button, and the other one's that's the button that we're actually gonna click on. And then just one text field, and just call it text field. And a menu bar, and it's gonna have 2 functions on it: a reset and an exit. So menu bar. Reset and just exit. Alright, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 things that we're going to have to do something with. So quite a long program, as you can already tell. I don't know, I've written this program before. I have it pre-written, so it's like about 155 lines of code. Alright, so now we have to create the container pane that we're going to have a couple panels in. Inside those panels we're going to have our components. So let's do container pane. Let's this get content pane, and set the layout. And we're just going to use grid layouts again because they're pretty simple to understand. And I would be using grid bag layout, but honestly, whatever you can do with grid bag layout, you can just do with this, just by using panels, and it's a lot easier in my opinion. Just do a little bit of padding in there just to neaten it up. Alright, now we're gonna make the menu bar. So menu bar is easy. Let's see, 3 minutes. Alright. So menu bar, it's gonna be a J menu bar. And then need our reset thing, so that's gonna be a menu item. Let's say reset, and then add that to the file menu. So file that reset, and then exit. I'll say quit, and then say alright. So now we're gonna just declare our classes ahead of time for our reset and exit actions. So I actually learned something today that it's not necessary, but that your classes in Java should always be capitalized at the beginning, and then so like instead of doing like normally I'd probably do like reset class, but now I learned that it's supposed to be like reset class like that. So I just didn't know that, but well, I learn something new every day. And for my object when I name it, I usually just call it the first the capitalized letter. So in this case, it'd just be RC lowercase. And in case you're wondering what this is, it's kind of like our normal what we do like our event E thing. So this is just for the reset class. So reset class RC new reset class, and then add an action listener and RC, and do the exit class. Alright, so now, let's see how much time. Alright, 4 minutes left, so let's see, why am I getting an error here? J menu, oh, new. Alright, so we're just getting errors here, but they'll be resolved later on. So now we're going to create the top J panel, and it's only going to have one component in it, so it's going to have a grid layout of 1, 1. I suppose you could just flow layout also, but whatever. So J panel top, and then set the layout of the top panel. Oh, 1, 1. All right. Now, directions, that's gonna first label, and that's basically just gonna tell the user like what to do and like how to operate the program, very simplistically. So, directions, and this is gonna run off the screen, but you'll know what I'm typing here. So, enter time, and then press start, and then press clicker repeat and I guess it won't go off the screen. I'll make it easy. I'll just go down the line, I guess. Press clicker. Why the heck does it always do that? Press clicker. Ugh. Alright, never mind. I have to go to a new line. Just stay in this line. Press clicker, repeatedly, and then I'll tell you what I'm typing right now. I'm pressing, I'm closing the quotes, I'm putting a comma, and then I'm putting swing constants, and then putting center, and then I'm closing the parenthesis, and I put in a semicolon. I mean, you can only see up to like the CO and the constants, but it just says swing constants dot center. Close the parentheses, semicolon, and that's it. And then go to the new line. And that's the only line in this program that's actually going to go off the recording screen. So, then top, and then add the directions. In pane, add the top. Alright. And, whoa. Oh, alright. Alright, now we need to make our middle J panel, so panel middle, let's get a new J panel. Set the layout, and it's gonna be, this one's gonna have 3 components in it, and I want it 3 wide, so 1, 3. Alright. Alright. And then middle set layout. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the next tutorial, next video now. So it'll be part 2 in the series, number 32 overall. So see you there.